Let's be honest. Most of you know that WTW Waves have the highest accuracy in this industry. And in case you don't, keep watching. Hey traders, welcome to WTW Waves Weekly Forex Forecast. Guys, since the past decade we are here on YouTube, and especially in 2026, most of you are following us. You know guys the high accuracy that we are providing every single week. Don't take my words for it. Go to our YouTube channel and check it by yourself. This our YouTube channel. Let me show it to you before I start, by the way. If you go here, this is actually WTW Waves. All our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment. In case you are new, I'm providing the weekly forecast every single Saturday. So just go back to this one, go to the videos and check every single video for 2026. And you will see that by yourself. I'm showing you the proofs before and after every single week. So for that guys, I'll start the forecast with the XY as usual. And last week again, it was as expected. Again, for this one, I said to you guys, we are expecting market to go to the upside first and then a drop. And that's exactly what the market have done. Any proof for that? Of course, let me go to this one again. This actually last week's video. Look at this one just to show you. This is 6 days ago. All right. And again, thanks a lot for all of your liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. I'll try my best to read every single comment. Last week I was a bit busy, so I was not able to reply. I'll try my best to reply to these ones and even to the new ones. So for this guys, thanks a lot for all of liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. For the XY, I said to you last week, guys, up and then a drop before any next structure. So that's the before and that's the after. As you can see, we've got this up wave, corrective structure up, and then a drop. So we can call this as 3 waves in advance. This is only guys for WTW Waves. Again, it's up to you if you want to keep wasting time and money, but if you'd like to become an independent, successful trader, our community is on fire. WTW Waves Pro is the solution. Join, learn, and do not waste more time and money. This is the opportunity, take it, and after that you can do whatever you want to do. Get the knowledge first. The knowledge is power. I'll show you the Discord soon, what is happening and how they are making money. Anyway, for the XY, this is exactly what the market have done. Up, corrective structure up, and then a drop. What's next, Alan? This is a corrective structure for another drop. One more drop will be coming for the XY for more than one reason. If I go to the daily, this is actually a downtrend for us. And this will fall to break this low, take liquidity, and then after that, we might get one push up. So if I go to the 4 hours again, just to show you what I'm expecting for the XY is a drop first. Again, corrective structure drop. And then after that, another push up will be coming. Which wave to trade is up to you. WTW, they know what they want to trade and they know the levels. If you want to know the levels, it will be covered by tomorrow during the Sunday session at 12 p.m. UK time for WTW Pro members. All right. So for this one, regarding the bias, I hope this is clear. EURUSD for this one, exactly the same. Last week, I said to you guys, this will go to the upside. We've got this up wave, corrective structure here, market is pushing to the upside. What's next, Alan? Again, corrective structure on push up will be coming before any next drop. For this, I'm still expecting market to push to the upside first before any next structure. It can be this up wave, corrective structure up, or this can be a big drop before the next up wave as well for the bigger picture to be a complex structure. For now, first thing first wave is toward the upside. If you are a scalper, you wait for the buy setup to go for the buy first, and then after that, you can take the levels from inside the community. All right. So for this one, I hope this is clear. For this, if I go again to this one just to show you, this was the before last week. Look at this one 6 days ago. And then after that, we've got this up wave. Again, that's the before and that's the after, as you can see. Drop, and then after that, this up wave. If you took this buy, you must have made money. No question. Pound dollar for this one, exactly the same thing. Market went to the upside. If you remember, I said to you last week, the bias is toward the upside. And again, we've got this up wave, drop, up, this is a corrective structure, and market is pushing to the upside. What's next, Alan? Up is the move before the next structure. I'm still expecting this to push the upside before any next drop, either this to be a running flat or a big corrective structure. But just the first wave is toward the upside. After that, a drop, and then after this drop, another push up might be coming. Remember, I said to you before, pound dollar is actually famous with running and expanding flats. If you remember this one, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Those of you actually who are seeing me a bit low this week or a bit slow, I was actually traveling and I came last 2 hours, and that's why I'm here to give you this forecast before actually I do something else. Pound dollar usually makes expanding and running flats. Again, for this one, I hope this is clear. Which wave to trade is up to you. For us, we'll focus on every next trade that we might actually get. So for this one, first thing first up, and then after that, if we get a sell setup, we might go for the sell. Especially for pound dollar, I want to show you this. If I go to this one, this is our Discord community. And this one, guys, Once you join WTW Pro, you'll get access to the dashboard, you'll get access to the learnings, basic course, masterclass course, every single Q&A session recording that we provide, and on top of that, the private community. Remember one thing, guys, if you want to succeed in something, you have to surround yourself with successful traders if you want to become an independent successful trader. That's the smart way. And that's what our members are doing. Those who are joining, they are seeing it actually, and they are sending messages regarding the decision that they took is the best decision. Again, you can do that. You can try us for a month. If you don't like, you can cancel anytime. If you want to know more about our service, you can just go to the website. It's waitedwaves.com. And this is the video. You can watch it here. You can just stay to the end of this video. I'll post this video at the end. But again, you can do the website, check every single page, check the features, check the testimonials. You can actually go to the YS. You can go to the Trustpilot profile as well. For Weighted Waves, we are rated excellent, and all our members are putting the reviews here. You can read it. Some of the stories might be yours. What I just want to show regarding Pound Dollar, look at this one. This was posted by Joshin just a few days ago. And look at this. He said actually this will go to the upside, then drop, then up. These are the three waves that actually we usually predict and we usually forecast. So that's the before, and look at this one again, up, drop, and then up. And if you scroll down, you will see this the after. Look at this. Market went to the upside, it went down, and after that, it went back up. That's exactly what I'm talking about regarding the experience, regarding what our members are doing, and what they are sharing inside. If I'm publishing actually here the bias, T is covering the levels on the Sunday sessions. Our seniors and moderators are giving the trades and giving the charts inside the community on a daily basis. So if you would like to get access to something like this, you know what to do. Join WTW Pro and you will get access to everything from day one. Gold for this one, most of you know that we were biased to the upside last week, short term. So for this one, we've got this up wave, this corrective structure, and then this up move. Regarding this one, those of you are still watching, let me give you something special regarding how to read the structures and about trend continuation, because this is very important for you to know. And again, thanks for those of you are still watching just to grab these tips. And this is what I'll try to do every single week anyway. So this was a low for gold, right? We've got this up wave, corrective structure up, pull back, this a running flat, and then this up wave. At this point of the time, all weighted waivers know that any corrective structure here is a buy. So we've got this up wave, just show the structure step by step, wave by wave, and how we read it. We've got this up wave here from here to here. We've got this corrective structure. Forget the noise internally or inside. This is just the corrective structure starting from here and it ends here. And this corrective structure came into a form of a running flat. After that, we've got this up wave, and then any pullback, any corrective structure, it might be to the 618. I'm giving you a strategy now for free. It can be 618, and then after that, you can go for this buy to make a lot of money trading this up wave, targeting the liquidity above this top. This simple trick, this simple strategy, it can make you a lot of money if you know how to read it along, I'd say, with the structures. Because without knowing and mastering the structures, mastering the language of the chart, any strategy is useless. It's not about the strategy, it's about the whole concept. That's why, guys, we focus on teaching you step by step, wave by wave, every single step of the way. We are teaching you something new so you can learn and you can make money for long term. It's about long run. It's about make money on a monthly basis, not about one trade and then I make 2x, 3x. It's not like that. Trading is not gambling. It's actually a profession that you learn it to make money on a monthly basis, right? So for this one, I hope this key. This is called trend continuation pattern. Up, corrective structure up, corrective structure, and then this up wave. Elliott waivers, they don't know that. Weighted waivers, they see the charts differently, in a total different way, in a 360 degree that they cover everything and they can read it in like they're reading a textbook pattern. Alan, what is the proof of that? Our high accuracy, guys. We are here since the past, again, decade. Anyway, back to the 4 hours. What happened here? After this corrective structure, this is a complete structure, by the way, for us. After this corrective structure, market went down to break this low. And after that, this up wave. This is exactly what we're expecting for the XY next week anyway. We've got this drop, corrective structure drop, and market push to the upside. What's next? I'm expecting this to give me an up wave, drop, another push up before the next structure. All of this will be part of the big corrective structure for gold, right? Which wave to trade is up to you. For me personally, if I get a buy setup under these lows, I'll go for the buy setups. Usually, again, gold is famous with the, again, liquidity grab. As example, this one, liquidity grab, as you can see it, and then this up wave. If market give us liquidity grab under this low and this low, it will be a good buy to the upside if this happens. If market go up before that, any setup we get, we'll go for it just short term for liquidity grab, and after that, we will follow. Okay? So again, just to give you the roadmap. If we get a drop here and then a buy setup, we'll go for the buy. If market push to the upside here without liquidity grab, we'll look for the sell setups to under this level. We will be targeting the liquidity here if market will not break the liquidity before the up wave. Okay? Again, for the levels, they will explain the levels tomorrow during the Sunday session. Do not miss the Sunday session, guys. It will start at 12 p.m. UK time. Do not miss it. USD for this one, I hope all of you remember this as well. I said to you last week, corrective structure and then up. Any proof for that? Of course, let me go to our YouTube channel again. This is 6 days ago, as you can see here. And I said to you last week for Aussie dollar, pull back and then this up wave. That's exactly what the market have done. As you can see, pull back and then this up wave. 2 waves in advance, all right? If you took this buy, you must have made money. All our traders who trade Aussie dollar, they made money here trading this up wave. What's next? This is a trend continuation pattern. Up, even if we get a drop, no problem. Up is the move before the next structure. So for this one, we are expecting this to go up first before any drop or any next wave. Do not go for long for this one, like it's not a long term. It's just short term move to the upside before the next structure. You must actually watch tomorrow's session starting 12 p.m. with T, because he will give you the levels and the trades of the week for next week. Sunday session for WTW Pro members, do not miss it. Usually door exactly the same thing. This is a corrective structure to me. One will push up before the next structure. Above this top, we might look for the sell setups again before the next wave. Okay? Dorian, for this one, we've got the drop. As you remember, corrective structure, drop. What's next, Alan? Up, corrective structure, one more drop before the next structure is very possible for dollar yen. Dollar Swiss market went to the downside. What after this, Alan? Corrective structure, drop before the next structure. Drop to break this low here. Take liquidity again between this zone and this zone. We'll get the buy setup to go for the buy. And after that, we'll update you. First thing, first drop. After that, buy setup to go for the buy. If I need to take the decision, I'll look for the buy setups for dollar Swiss. Okay? Dollar CAD for this one, market went to the upside. What's next? A pullback or corrective structure before the next up wave. So first thing first, wait for market to be a corrective structure before the next up wave for dollar CAD. Okay? This can be just a simple corrective structure that don't push up. You can trade this one to the upside if you get the setup. Any sell setup from me, I will ignore it. I'll focus on the buy setups for this one. Why? Because we have liquidity here. Market need to take liquidity above these tops before the next structure. Yes, all for this one, market went to the downside and just it's a liquidity grab here in this phase. One more drop before the next up wave. If we get this drop, you can actually make money trading this drop first before the next structure. If I go to the 1 hour, this is actually a liquidity grab above this top, as you can see. This is a complete regular flat. If we get a sell setup, I'll go for the sell first before any buy. So for this one, regarding the bias is toward the downside. The levels will be shared tomorrow by T during the Sunday session for WTW Pro members. Do not miss it. Bitcoin, if you remember, I said to you last week, guys, up before the next structure. We have liquidity here. Market will push to the upside to take liquidity before the next drop. And that's exactly what the market have done. Any proof? Of course, back to this one here just to show you. This was Bitcoin, again, 6 days ago. That's the before. As you can see here, I said to you guys, up to take liquidity above these two equal highs. Okay, so back to this one. Market was here. We've got a corrective structure here, and then this up wave to take liquidity above these ones, and market is pulling back. What's next? Any sell setup, if you are a trader, you can take it to the downside. Anytime this can fall, guys, either to give us a big fall or just a corrective structure. In all the cases from the current levels, I will not look for buy setups. I'm looking for the sell setups first before the next structure. Either to complete a corrective structure or just to fall more, to break this low, and this low even before the next structure. Regardless, as a trader, this is a sell to me at the moment. Last week it was a buy, now it's a sell, okay? And this sell, like I said to you, it can become big, huge, and impulsive. This is an expanding flat here, just to show you. This was the corrective structure here, up. Corrective structure to this point. Again, why is that? This is how we read the structures. Up, corrective structure, and this just liquidity building before the next big fall if they want to drop this to the downside. Okay? Now, for this one, guys, as an investor, you know what you need to do. Just apply DCA here without actually caring about the volatility or what this will be doing. Bitcoin is a fixed supply asset. It will keep pushing the upside like S&P. As an investor, you should not care. The best strategy to do that, the best strategy to invest is to apply DCA. If you want to learn what is DCA, you can join to learn investing from inside as well, inside WTW Pro, inside the Q&A sessions. We teach as well investing, guys, all right? So for this one, the bias toward the downside first before any next structure. US30 for this one, most of you know that will bias to the upside, and this will push higher. For this one, this will go up to make a new all-time high, like S&P as well, and like some of other indices. For this one, guys, I'm biased to the upside before any next structure. Do not actually just invest blindly or just go for the upside just because this is going to the upside like that. You have to really know how to invest wisely. Otherwise, you might lose all your money if you over leverage and if you don't know how to invest, okay? That's why this is going to the upside to break the top. After that, we might get a drop before the next up wave. This, it will be for later. For now, short term, this up to break the top. If you're a trader, you look for the buy setups, and that's exactly what we'll do as well for US30. With that note, guys, I wish you a great trading week. You trade with care. Do not miss tomorrow's session and join actually WTW Pro to learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. If you want to know more about our servers, watch this video. If you are serious about learning how to trade the right way, then this video is for you. Most traders don't fail because of the market. They fail because they lack proper trading education. I'm Alan, trading coach and co-founder of Free Trade Waves, and in the next 3 minutes, I will show you what's included inside WTW Pro, the program that has helped thousands of traders succeed, and how you can be next. Step 1, start with WTW Basic Course. Even if you think you already know the basics, watch it. Our goal here is simple: build the foundation. Step 2, go straight into the WTW Masterclass course. This is where the real WTW framework starts. Don't rush it, take notes, pause, rewatch, and ask questions. In this Masterclass course, we'll teach you everything about Free Trade Waves wave answers concept. Strategies, exits, entries, risk management, money management, everything. Step 3, the Q&A session recordings. Yes, they are a lot, and yes, it takes time, but listen carefully. This is where I cover the advanced part of Free Trade Waves concept. Even you can find the long-term sessions that are covered by T usually at the start of every year. But again, this way traders level up because you hear real questions, real chart situations, real mistakes, and real solutions. If you only do the courses and you skip the Q&A session recordings, you are leaving the pro level on the table. You don't want to do that. Step 4, join the day live sessions and ask questions. Starting with the Sunday session, every Sunday covered by T. Don't be a silent member. The fastest way for you to improve is to watch live analysis, ask your questions, and get corrected. And also, this is how you will build confidence. This is a mentorship. Use it. Step 5, this is not an overnight flip. Remember, this is not join today, rich tomorrow. Trading is a skill, like a profession. You are building discipline, execution, psychology, and consistency. If you respect the process, the results will follow. Step 6, WTW is not only about trading, it's a complete system. And you are not a signal service anyway. Even if you have the Sunday live sessions and we share the trades of the week, and we have the Wednesday update and the day live sessions, we also teach you about investing, long-term wealth thinking, and how to build financial freedom the smart way. Because the goal is not only to win one trade, the goal is to win in life with money, time, and freedom. And you can achieve that anyway. And finally, step 7. Trust the process and follow the roadmap. Basic course, masterclass course, Q&A session recordings, and daily live sessions. If you follow this roadmap, you will be shocked how much clarity you will gain in the next weeks and months. Welcome again to Free Trade Waves Pro. Now please join the Discord community from the Discord tab on your dashboard, and I'll see you inside.